Abushia Stone Boy.
Lost in your jungle, baby mo.
Ashamai Movado.
Can't find my way, baby mo.
Simon Vibes Cartel. There is a video that spotted that came online. Now Stone Boy was singing a song with this blind young man.
Lost in your jungle, lost in your jungle. My mama the cocky, see me I no go listen no. My papa the cocky, see me I no go listen no. I wanna see again, I said they upon Yalta. Base are true on a pattern, and Marina Sarasta, really feel Jenny, Jelly, come make me dance it in Gulu, but not the maternity. Baby more,
Now every Ghanaian was loving the vibe between these two people. Now Stone Boy has given this young man 3,000 Ghana cedis to purchase a new phone. And with the Camera Studios. Jaguar na mfa nsem nyina so ha Camera Studios. Follow us on Facebook at Salifu Abdul and I say Camera Entertainment Zone. TikTok Camera Studios. YouTube Camera Studios. You subscribe, you share this video, and then become part of this amazing family. If my former Beam Nation president name someone Abushia ene egu adwama so Ghana fu in ebubo hu na onyante na afi mede somo. The news is very simple. There was a video spotted online. This young blind man of Stone Boy friend, and I said this young blind Stone Boy fan, he went to Stone Boy's house, and then he had opportunity to meet Stone Boy, and then he sang Stone Boy's song.
She asked me, tell me apart. You go few shoes on my diamond and dance. We are man greens and the plants. Good up and I love that the level advance. Can't stop it, kiss and a gangster and a chance. Stepping at the street with 100 chance. When you want a G, then a gun.
Can't find my way, baby mo. Lost in your jungle, yeah. My mama the talkie. See me, I no go listen, no. I think that is a song from Episode of Mama. Stone Boy album or released years back. And a soundtrack here also. Then this guy was able to sing the song with Stone Boy, and after that the guy left. Andra he spotted video online and now branch here no complaining the phone. I say the phone or the by Stone Boy no a video they no dey promotion na Ghana for Stone Boy very good no phone no I say me can be nation president akoma no say there be. We have been doing a lot of things for Ghanaians and for people, and then if this young man is doing some certain things in the internet, he needs one support. And besides, he is my fan. He supports the movement. Anything I mean gifted and a Stone Boy decided there be upon the set of say no yisika no kind what 3,000 Ghana cedis no say branch here. The guy is blind in but nipa wodi na nim de ne buy no this kind of share nsem nipa the boy three no say okay aso enti afede Stone Boy aseda any ayeyi na abranti any ne few foreign the supporters na da na say the ade Stone Boy no very heart warming it is really good for a certain artist, and I say for such artists to be doing these things, because obu okra nko feel because I when I also open also but me nyoma any dey found but any this modern world no enti because obi a winning no can promote you in a certain way, and do so winning no can promote you in a certain way whether the person is famous or not. Because when you look at Davido and Ananzo official, that one as an example, You see, say the Davido is having the numbers. He is known worldwide. But Ananzo official on TikTok made people love Davido song with you, which he featured Omali on it. So what I say, and Davido wanted to top chart in Ghana. So by doing that, people will want to go and listen to the song, and that is how things roll nowadays. So you may be thinking, say, Nipo who is he for somebody to gift him 3,000 Ghana cedis? Who is Ananzo official for Davido to gift him 5,000 $5K dollars? Yeah, it makes sense in a business way. So what I say, because every make headlines, every people could see Davido, and this guy too, if he is able to buy the phone with the money, I think he's going to be doing a lot for Stonebwoy and Beam Nation. We are training news. I'm the Sumoya Kama Studios. What do you think about Stonebwoy's doing this kind of thing? Very good. I know it is very good, but in some people's opinion, they might be having this second thoughts another day. And we are doing your comment section and say, "Hi, Kama Studios." Anything that drops on the internet, we get you notified on this platform. If today is your first time to join us on all the media platforms at Kama Studios, only Facebook and Instagram. And yes, Salif Abdul. Instagram is Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator. I'm finally out.